Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. It ain't always about barbecue. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a super duper delicious chicken chilaquiles. One of my favorite dishes. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you how we get these chilaquiles done JP style. Check it out. Let's go ahead and fire up our Camp Chef outdoors grills. What I'm going to be using out here is my little kitchen spot outside. I like cooking out here. It's where I do my barbecue out there on the smoker. I got my electric smokers here on the side, and my little 2-burner stove sits right here, you know, from Camp Chef. Absolutely love it. But let's go ahead and fire it up. Put it like on medium to high heat. You gotta get this oil fired up, and I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil in my matte fur frying pan. I absolutely love this thing. This is a 15-inch frying pan. You can do anything you want in this thing. You know, I wouldn't break it out just to do one egg, but you know, but it's big enough to do just about anything. And you want to put a little bit of quite a bit of olive oil in it, because chilaquiles is made using corn tortillas. And corn tortillas, I've already cut them up, chopped up into nice little squares. You know, here's what they look like. You know, just to show you guys. You know, nice little squares. And what you're doing is making crispying up the tortilla, and the oil is going to get sucked in by this corn tortilla, and it's going to come out nice and crispy. So once this oil gets nice and hot, we'll throw these tortillas in there. You know, if you want to test it out, what you can do, just grab you one and kind of like put it right there. If you see it starting to sizzle, you know you're getting close. And I can tell you right now, I don't think I have enough oil. But the good thing about it is you can always add oil, you know, through the whole process. So you leave that one in there. You see that? You see how fast that thing started, you know, to sizzle? So I'll be dropping these tortillas in there in just a second. Okay, and we can probably start dropping them in now. Let's see how they do. Yeah, no, gotta get a little bit hotter. You know, it's getting there. It gets up there quick. You know, that's the nice thing about this black steel frying pan. You know, the heat is evenly distributed through it, and it absorbs heat pretty quick. You know, I'll put a description down to the map for, you know, down below, you know, in regards to where I got it. You know, supposedly this is one of the last frying pans you're ever going to need to buy. And I also did a video on how to season these things. And I'm going to put that video right there. You guys check it out when you get a chance. There we go. Let's go ahead and drop these in there. There we go. I have roughly, I don't know, 20, 30 tortillas. You know, when you do yours, you know, get as many tortillas as you think, you know, your family's going to be able to eat. You know, here I'm doing, you know, chilaquiles for a family of 4. So we're going to let these get nice and crispy. And they're starting to absorb that oil. You want to make sure you get them all broken up. And I got 2 different, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got like 2 different color styles tortilla. You know, they're both corn tortilla. One's just more of a yellow corn, and these other ones are a white corn. It's just what I had. There we go. I'm gonna fry this up. I'll bring you guys right back. See, this is kind of what you want. We're getting these tortilla chips nice and crispy. Once they get nice and crispy, check it out. Woo. That's what you want. You're ready to go. Let's go ahead and add our, I think I'm going to lower the heat down a little bit. Go ahead and add my onions. And I need to go get my chicken that I got in the refrigerator. This is some leftover chicken that I had from a previous cook. I did sopa de fideo, and I put that video right there. And this was some extra drumsticks that I had. And I went ahead and just cut them up, shredded it, and you know, they're still good. I'm gonna cook it today. I'm gonna make these chilaquiles out of it. And this is really about it, guys. Once you got your tortillas nice and crispy, you got your chicken added to it. You know, the rest of it is just dressing it up, you know, using some nice shredded cheese, some queso fresco, some queso crema. We'll get this done just a little bit more. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Nah, I'm gonna let it go for a little bit more. Let this chicken get nice and hot. Now let's grab a little piece of chicken. Yeah, no, a little bit more, still cold. So once this chicken gets done, guys, we'll be ready to make us a plate. Chilaquiles are almost done. I'm gonna put a little bit of shredded cheese on it. And there's no special, you know, I just got this, nothing special about this cheese. I just got this at my grocery store. You know, just Mexican shredded cheese, you know, and I'm just gonna just pile it on here. Just like that, that way it gets nice and melted. Our chilaquiles are just about done, guys. You know, I got maybe 2 more types of cheeses I'm gonna put on it. And some salsa verde, some green salsa. There we go. Let this get nice and melted on it, and we're gonna make us a plate. There we go. Just like that. Got my beans over here on the other side. Can't have chilaquiles unless you're gonna put some beans in it too. You know, Mexican food, always get a side of rice and a side of beans, but I didn't make no rice. I'm just gonna put some beans. There we go. We're gonna let that get nice and melted, and we're gonna make us up a plate. You guys stay tuned. You see how easy this was? You know, 1, 2, 3, done. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Stay tuned. Chilaquiles or chicken chilaquiles are done. I'm gonna serve me up a little bit right here. Oh yeah, look at that cheese, nice and melted. There we go. Don't that look good? Man, that looks good. Ooh, yes sir. Got nice and toasty. Gonna come over here on the side where I got my beans. How's that look, guys? Super duper, no? Chicken chilaquiles. We still gotta dress it up. Here's how we dress it up, guys. Now that we got it nice and made up like that, we're gonna put some queso fresco right on there, like just like that. Oh yeah, love this crumbly cheese. You can also put it on your beans as well. You know, just some good cheese. We're gonna put some queso crema and all these things, guys. You can get right at your grocery store. You know, I'm using Ole crema, and here we go. We cannot forget about our salsa verde. We'll get this thing popped open, and we'll just garnish it up there. Oh yes sir, that's enough for me. And that it looks absolutely delicious. Oh, I gotta get a jalapeno. You can't have this without having a jalapeno. Here's my jalapeno. I'm gonna pick me one right out of there. Look at the side. Look at that beautiful thing right there. That's what you want. You know, you just put that sucker right there on the side, and now you got you a very, very nice traditional Mexican dish. Chicken chilaquiles, refried beans with some crumbly queso fresco. We got Mexican blends of cheeses. We got our salsa verde, and we also have our queso crema. You know, these are the things. I bought these things today right at the grocery store. Came over here and started doing this. How simple this recipe is. Okay, but we're gonna give it a try, see what it tastes like, and I'll bring you in. Here we go, guys. Let's give these chicken chilaquiles a try. See what they're all about. They look nice and toasty. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. Nice and toasty. I love it. Gonna eat me some of these beans. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Very simple, super easy recipe right here, guys. If you're looking for something to make for somebody, you know, you can't go wrong with this stuff. Here we go. Sorry about that. I spilled some. It's all good. That is really good. I'm gonna give me a little bite of this jalapeno. Here we go. Oh, That's some good stuff right there. I gotta stop eating, guys. I'm sorry. It's that good. But again, really quick, just to recap this is how easy it was. You want to get you maybe 20, 30 tortillas, corn tortillas, cut them up into nice little cubes and in eighths. Get your nice little frying pan and get enough oil in there. That way, it'll fry the tortilla and the tortilla absorbs the oil. Once your tortillas are nice and crispy and toasty, then what you want to do is start adding the other stuff. The chicken, I had done it the night before and I shredded it this morning, so that was no big deal. And all I did was add some onions to it. So very simple. Once you got that, then add the cheese right on top of it. The shredded cheese, the Mexican blend of cheeses, and it'll get nice and gooey all up in there, almost like making some nachos. But what makes some chilaquiles is that you garnish it with all this flavor of cheeses. So I got the Mexican blend of shredded cheeses. I got the queso fresco. I got the queso crema, and with a side of beans right here. Very simple recipe, easy to make at your house. Hope you guys like this video. If you do me a favor. Right there on the side, there's a little subscribe button. Click on that button and also click on that bell as well. That'll get you future notifications of upcoming videos. Also, down in the description, there's a link to my website, and I'll put a link right here as well, so you can go and check out all of my products. But besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful rest of the weekend. You guys take care.